I am Troy, and today I'll be teaching you on what causes us to sneeze. Firstly, sneezing is the way our body removes irritants from our nose or throat. Another name for sneezing is sternutation. Although it is annoying, but it is not a symptom of any serious health issues. You might want to ask, what is the work of the nose? Well, part of our nose job is to clean the air we breathe in. In most cases, our nose traps this dirt and bacteria in mucus, then the stomach digests the mucus, causing it to be non-toxic. You might want to know the things that trigger sneezing. Well, it might be allergies, it can also be viruses. Example is that of the common cold or flu, and it can also be because of nasal irritants or even using of drugs through the nose, and also some smells like the perfume smells can also trigger sneezing. Thank you, and this is the end.